Hello and welcome to my first month on YouTube. So this actually happened over a year ago. I am reporting to you here on this YouTube channel about my first channel, my mommy channel. I'm going to refer to it as mommy channel. Mommy channel started in 2023. I created the channel March 10th of 2023 and intended to start posting content April 1st. So I'm over a year on YouTube. I want to record each month and the process I went through and how I've gotten to where I am today. So if you're interested in that, stick with me and I'm going to take you through. So again, March 10th, I launched or created my channel. March 17th, I accidentally published a short. That was not intentional. April 1st was supposed to be my first video, but I was learning. I was testing. This mommy channel was my first experience on YouTube as a content creator. I have no filming background, editing background, anything like that. So I was completely new. I was just learning, how do I do this? How do I upload it? How do I schedule it for in the future? Obviously it went live. I didn't intend it to. So quickly, I'm going to show you March, but really I consider my channel as far as content to have started April. I have 3 views here, 0.1 watch hours, no subscribers. And if you notice, 2 of these views happened before I even published the video. So I think they're my own views. And then the view that day might have been me as well. So these just simply don't count. Here's the 2 videos. Weirdly, this one's March 17th, like I said, but this one says April 1st. So I don't know if I accidentally published it in March and then I tried changing the date on it and trying to reschedule it, but I moved it to April 1st somehow. Again, learning, experimenting, trying to figure out what I'm doing. So that was March. We're not really going to talk about March. Let's go ahead and move on to April. So I'm going to change my dates here. Again, we're in April 2023. So my first month on YouTube, what I was trying to do was just learn. I only posted shorts. I did them on the odd days, 1st, 3rd, 5th, so on. Now, if you look here, I did all the odd days, but then I had a whoopsie and I had the video ready. I just accidentally scheduled it wrong. So I did 2 on the 29th and I didn't do one on the 27th. That was completely just a scheduling mistake. Apparently I learned how to schedule, but then I didn't realize what I did. So I believe I did 15 videos. That one on the 1st is a little debatable. In some of my stats, that doesn't count for April. So I think I might've published it in March and then I accidentally kind of rescheduled it. 14 or 15 shorts, however you want to slice it up and count it. So my views, I got just, if you look here, it says 6K, but the actual numbers here of 5,997 views. I got 43.2 watch hours, which I thought was impressive for just shorts. Honestly, I think that's amazing. And then 14 subscribers. I was really happy with that. And then if we go back to the views here, you notice a couple major peaks. So this video did very well. And one of these videos did very well. Those peaks are going to be similar with the watch time and similar with the subs, but even over here, this one got me a few subs. So that's great. Now let's scroll down just a little bit. Again, I want to show you those top 2 videos. Like I said, the 29th, prevent your baby from getting bald spots, silk or satin sheets. So it was a 19-second video. I was getting over 50% average duration and a little over 1,300 views. Now my second one, middle of the month, calling out stupid mom hacks, 35-second video, still getting over 50% view duration and just shy of 1,300 views. So I was really excited about that. I had a couple solid ones. I was happy with these. I really, really was. And then I had my lower ones as well. Let's go ahead and take it all the way down. Got a couple zeros at the bottom, which again, I think were somewhat of issues. This one was the 29th, if you notice. I had some sort of issue there. And then this one was the March 17th one. It is what it is on that. I did my best. If you want to note this one, introduce the hatch light before moving baby from the crib to the big bed. It got 226, which is great. I'm really happy about that. But what I thought was cool is it was a 59-second video and it was getting over a minute and 7. So people were watching it 1.5 times or 1 and whatever, or a few people were anyway. So I thought that was really cool. I loved seeing that was the average view duration was over the actual video length. So that was really cool. And then here for all the videos combined, we've got those views, average view duration, which the 25 seconds, if all of them were a minute, that would tell me more. But if one's 8 seconds and one's 45 seconds, it's still a helpful stat to know. And then the average percent viewed, I think this one is more appropriate because it's percentage based. So in general, I was getting just under 50% of the video viewed, which not bad for me starting out. I wasn't too bad about that. Okay, let me take you over here just into the content. All is going to be shorts and longs. However, I only have shorts, so really It doesn't honestly matter. I said we had the views shown in feed, so I'm wondering if that's impressions or if that's different from impressions. And then we got 145 likes. Okay, I'm not gonna analyze likes too much. And then 17 subscribers. I lost some subscribers. So if you go into the show more, there will be 3 negative. Let's see if I can find it. Well, I don't know where that went. So anyhow, let's go down here and maybe I'll see it. Okay, my videos were showing up in the shorts feed, which makes sense. Okay, let me go back to all. I feel like all was helpful. Returning viewers, 1. So most people only watched 1 of my shorts. Let's go here, the plus 17 on subscribers here. Okay, here it is. So I had 3 in the negative. So I got 17 plus, 3 negative, which nets me at 14 subscribers. Okay, views again, published content. Here it's saying I did 14 shorts, 14 or 15. That first one had a scheduling issue. Okay, so in April, we had 2.9 impressions, click-through rate of 1.3%, views from impression, 36, average view duration, 34 seconds, watch time from impressions, 0.34. All right, that's about it. Okay, so like I said, I was completely new to YouTube. I was filming my videos in one cut, so I was having to erase them, start over. I think I was trimming off the front and the end. At the time, I was using a free app called YouCut, and I was doing all this from my phone and figuring out how to schedule them and just learning as I was going. I did learn how to put text on my shorts pretty quickly, which was very exciting. I believe actually in the first one I have text, which I thought was really cool because when you go and you watch shorts in YouTube's, the ones with the words like captions or text popping up, I feel like are very engaging. And if somebody's watching it muted, they can kind of get the gist of what your video is about. So I thought that was really cool. I was really proud of myself that I learned what I learned and I did what I did and I got all those shorts out. Yeah, that was an accomplishment. Just hitting publish for the first time is a huge, huge accomplishment. And if you're here binging a bunch of YouTube videos, go take action, take the steps, okay? Start your channel, film, edit, and schedule your first video. You can do it. You might mess up. I had some mistakes, but I learned, I managed, and I've only gotten better. All right, so after this video, you can go right into the second month on YouTube. I'm gonna try to link it here at the end, and if it doesn't link, check the description, as well as the playlist on my channel, because I'm gonna have all these month-by-month progress reports in a playlist. And basically you can follow along with my journey and see what it's like to be a new YouTuber.